Alrighty guys, so we're going to start off with reaction part A. So when you're filling out your lab sheet, you're going to look at part A, the synthesis reactions. I'm going to go ahead and go over the formula for you so that you have an idea of what we're doing. Then we're going to be able to watch the reaction, and you guys will be in charge of writing down your notes and then balancing the equation. So I'm giving you the formula here. For this reaction, what we're going to be doing is taking magnesium metal, which looks like this, and we're going to get it to react with oxygen. How are we going to do that? We're going to get it to react with oxygen over heat. So the heat is going to catalyze the reaction and cause it to react with the oxygen in the air, which we're then going to see a synthesis reaction. So remember, synthesis is where we have multiple things on the reactant side and then one thing on the product side. So we'll have, our formula is magnesium. So we have our magnesium, and this is backwards, I realize that now, but you guys will be able to copy it down later. Magnesium is combining with oxygen. So Mg plus O2. Should I try and write backwards? I'm going to do it. Let's see how this works. That G is wrong. We're going to do that. That's not bad. Woohoo! Mg plus O2. All right, cool, we've got that. When these two things combine, so when we add these two things together, what we're going to end up getting is magnesium, like that. Something's still up, but that's right. Magnesium bonded to oxygen. So you can see we've got our two things being added over here. This is our reactant side with our one product that's forming. So that's going to be our total reaction. So that's what you're going to see. We're going to talk about what the evidence of that reaction looks like by actually reacting a piece of magnesium. So what I'm going to do is take this piece of magnesium metal. I probably don't need that much. And we're going to put it directly in this Bunsen burner flame. So I'm going to let you guys actually watch it from here. Try not to look directly at it. If we were in class, I wouldn't have you looking directly at it. So again, this is a synthesis reaction. This magnesium metal is going to react with oxygen. We're going to see what it does. So we're going to go ahead and get that in here, get it toasty. And all you're writing down is the evidence of the reaction. So I'll do the other side just so you can see it for sure. It is bright like the sun. So what you'll do is write down the evidence of that reaction. You can see that white powdery stuff. That's that magnesium oxide that forms. So that white powder on the outside of this metal, that's magnesium oxide. That's what it looks like. We created that by just catalyzing the reaction of magnesium with the oxygen in our atmosphere. So this is a synthesis reaction. Evidence that a reaction was happening. You're going to have to come up with that on your own, but think about exothermic versus endothermic. What did we see? What did we notice? All right. If you have questions, let me know.